So you all have an assignment to discover your reader personality type. In order to find this assignment, you'll be under the classwork tab and you'll go to the reading section of your digital binder off here to the left. Let's click on reading. And we have a new assignment. What's your reader personality? Each person has a unique interests in life, and that affects your reading personality too. You won't enjoy reading unless you're picking books that match your personality. There are 4 things you need to do for this assignment. Step 1, you're going to click this link below. And you want to answer these questions honestly so the results are accurate. Keep in mind, you can give more than one answer to each question. And at the bottom of the questions, you're going to click the button that says Ready, Let's Go. Once you've done that, your next step is to look for your number 1 reader personality type. And then you're going to click Read More. It's going to open up your personality type. You can read about your personality. And then at the bottom of the page, you want to view all popular books for this reader personality type. You can also adjust the reading level so it's not giving you children's book. I'll show you how to do that. Once you've done that, the final step is that you're going to use the space to the right, this space where it says type your answer. And you're going to tell me 2 things. Number 1, what is your reader personality type? Number 2, what is a recommended book that you'd be interested in reading? Keep in mind this assignment is due by tomorrow night. So to do this assignment, we're going to open this link. And you can see that there are 10 questions. You can give more than one answer to each question. So this first question, if you could choose a picture to hang in your room, it would be a picture of, personally for me, it would probably be something amazing or extraordinary, might be something dangerous or scary. Number 2, what would you like to do at recess? Again, you can give more than one answer. You're going to do this for each question. You can't skip any questions. And once you've answered all 10 questions, you're going to click this button that says Ready, Let's Go. It's then going to give you your results once you click that button. I personally got matched with the team player. That was my highest match. And just like in the instructions, I'm going to click Read More. I can read all about my reader personality type here. And then I'm going to scroll to the bottom where it says View all popular books for this reader personality type. Let's click that. I also don't want to see 1, 2, 3 Maisie because I'm not a little kid. So I'm going to adjust the reading level here off to the left where it says reading level. Obviously for myself, I would be a mature reader, but most of you are considered older readers. So let's click on older readers. Now it's loaded books that are intended for older readers, and you can scroll through this and see which book might sound interesting to you. Once you've done that, you're going to go back into the assignment and you're going to complete step 4. Answer those 2 questions here. Question 1, question 2. You'll do that right here and then you'll click Turn In. This is due by tomorrow night.